toujours à toi. I always think of you. De toi. Does anyone speak French here? Okay, was that understandable? Because I don't really speak French. I don't. Okay. Good, that's what matters. Okay, very good. That it feels right, but it's so wrong, 'cause you got a girl, yes you do. And I forget about her, and I think you do too, or you wouldn't cross the lines you do. And now I got a man, and you ruined my plans. You're so don't want to choose, 'cause I choose you, and that ain't fair to anyone but you. How come I didn't notice the other day, the way that you paused when you said her name? You feel it too. I'm not the only fool, but now I got a man, and you ruined my plans. You're so cruel, like that, and you don't get to choose, 'cause then I lose, and that ain't fair to anyone but you. So maybe it's distance, maybe in time we'll tell just how far I fell into you. Maybe you love me, maybe it's just as well to forget what you felt, so we don't have to choose. And I can't lose, I get to hold the memories of you and me in there, the better part of you. should've listened harder to the cries in the side of my chest. The movies ruined all my chances of letting go, I can admit. They told me you would be the one too, that no one else could understand the truth. It hurts with or away from you. Oh, I'd forget all the shooting stars we've been wishing on. I'd throw all of our dreams away after we moved on. Shame on me, I bit my tongue and took the deal. The funny part is I would still do it all again if the timing was right. I'd risk it all to feel the feeling twice. Thank you so much. This kind of feels like a home right now, so let's like do a little singing if we don't mind. Is that okay? Can we do that? I'm gonna teach you. The words are really simple. It goes like, nothing I can do, nothing I can do, nothing I can do. Okay? Really simple. You wanna try it?
Yeah!
Nothing I can do,
Nothing I can do, nothing I can do.
so beautiful. Y'all sound so great. Okay, it's gonna be at the end of the song, so I'll try to cue you, but I'll be singing at the same time, so it'll be like, oh, you know. All right, but that's the name of the song, Nothing I Can Do. Listen, I've got no business writing a song about you. It's just time I get through all the valleys and hills, these mountains I feel for you. If all of the love I've been holding inside was a summit you climb, then I'm sure that the peak would be out of reach. Oh, you don't seem to see what I see. How could you go on and just be? How are you happy when everybody's It's like trying to fly with no wings. It's like being caught in a riptide. It's loving you, getting to me. When everybody's out there somewhere kissing some girl, I wanna be, but you're not mine and I'm not yours, so there's nothing I can do. Oh, everybody's out there somewhere loving somebody. I wanna be, I'm gonna be, yeah, but you're not mine and I'm not yours, so there's nothing I can do. I can't do nothing. I can't do, no. Here we go. Nothing I can do, nothing I can do, nothing I can do, no. Nothing I can do, nothing I can do, nothing I can do, no. Nothing I can do, nothing I can do, nothing I can do, no. It's like trying to breathe underwater.
I know that's right. Yes, ma'am.
Y'all are so sweet. Thank y'all so much. Woo. Ooh, okay. Okay. This is that song's twin. This is called Miss Me Around. 2,000 miles between you and I. Times that I tend to calculate the time till I can feel you in my arms, kissing other places. Still love you though you are so far. And I would be your Mrs. Baby if we could handle distance, but for now I'll be missing you around. And you could be my mister if you wanted. Honey, you could be my whole world if I'm honest, but for now I'll be missing you around. Too many times you swore you would change. Should we still try, or is it all in vain? Still I can feel you in my arms, kissing other places. Still love you though you are so far, so far. And I would be your Mrs. Baby if we could handle distance, but for now I'll be missing keep missing you around, 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 around,
More fire.
Thank you so much. This will be my last song for the evening. Thank you so much for listening. I really appreciate it every single time. It's good to be around so many beautiful people and to be around. I'm so grateful and thankful for like the space. The space is beautiful. The people in the space are beautiful, and your love is really felt. Thank you. My name is Chloe Hogan. If you didn't catch it on the front end, yes, you can come talk to me, and I will be a little nervous at first, but I'll talk back. If you want, in the back too, there's candles too that I made at home, and I have 7 today. So if you want a candle, you can come and check it out and come see me. Okay. This last song is one of my favorites that I've ever written. I almost gave it away, and my friend was like, "No, this is." And it's taken me so many places, and I hope it stays with you. And this is called With You. If love is a game, I just wanna play with you. If love is a name, I'll get you and me tattooed. But if love is like a glass of wine, honey, it'll take some time. But I'll wait for you, 'cause I just wanna spend my life with you. Won't you hold me closer than you did before? I just wanna roll the dice with you. So let's take our chances and pray that it was meant to be. 'Cause if feelings ever show for any bit of what is good, then I think we should. And if you were a dream, then I don't want reality. I just wanna stay right here. In my head it all seems clear. And if you were the day, I wouldn't waste another night wishing on stars when your love was in the light. 'Cause I just wanna spend my life with you. Won't you hold me closer than you did before? And I just wanna roll the dice with you. So let's take our chances and pray pray that it was meant to be. Cause the feelings ever show for any bit of what is good, then I think we should stay. I just wanna spend my life with you. Won't you hold me closer than you did before? I just wanna roll the dice with you. So let's take our chances and pray that it was meant to be. Please I just wanna spend my life with you. Won't you hold me, closer than you did before? And I just wanna roll the dice with you. So let's take our chances and pray that it was meant to be. Cause the feelings ever show for any bit of what is good, and I think we should stay. Stay with me, stay.
Yes, baby.
Oh my God. One thing about Chloe, she better put us in our feelings, okay? Whew. All right. We're good? All right. We're going to take a 5-minute break to debrief from that epic performance. Again, the bathrooms are right here. Please take a look at the art, and I'll call you back in 5 minutes, all right? All right.